Welcome back to another do-it-yourself video here at Northridge 4x4, and today we're going to show you the new Grimm Offroad mid-height hoop for the factory steel bumper on the JL and JT. And this install is so easy, we're going to do it right here in the parking lot. This new bumper hoop features a mid-height profile and is designed to add more protection for your winch and your grill against impacts. It's constructed from 2-inch 120 wall high-strength tubing and features a dual-stage powder coating that matches the factory finish. It has a limited lifetime warranty and it's made right here in the USA. The Grimm bumper hoop mounts right up under the factory bolts, and they take a T47 to remove. So there you have it. Simple and easy to install, the mid hoop from Gimm Offroad for the factory steel bumper on the Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT. Now if you want one for your Jeep, drop right down to the description box below and hit the links. You'll find one for that mid hoop. And you'll also find another that's going to show you all of the Grimm products that we carry here at Northridge 4x4. And then don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and then hit up the comment section. Let us know. What do you think of this new product from Gimm Offroad? Thanks for watching today. We'll see you again soon.